Hello, everyone. You're watching this video today because you have been offered an exclusive invitation to apply for the Mustang Mentorship Program. Cal Poly Admissions is recruiting Mustang mentors for the upcoming MMP cohort, and we need you to apply. So my fellow program coordinators and I are here to share all that MMP has to offer. And first, we'll introduce you to our team of MMP program coordinators. First, we have the two individuals who are the backbone of MMP. We have Demetrius Chapman, who is the Assistant Director of California Recruitment at Cal Poly. And we also have Mandy Blackburn, who is the Assistant Director of Student Engagement and also the Poly Reps Advisor. These two individuals are the co-founders of MMP and the reason why this program has made such a large impact since its beginning in 2021. So for the student team, my name is Eve Grozade. I'm a fourth-year undergraduate student studying sociology, and I serve as this admissions and recruitment student intern.
Hi guys, my name is Naomi Ninberg. I'm a second-year psychology major, and I'm a DEI ambassador.
Hello, I'm Angela Shum, and I'm a third-year graphic communication major, and I'm also a DEI ambassador.
Hey guys, my name is Tyrone Butler. I'm a third-year business administration major, and I'm also a DEI ambassador. Now, our purpose is to guide and support students through professional or personal development by pairing them with experienced mentors who provide advice, knowledge, and encouragement. You're committed to 1 to 2 check-ins per month with a mentee, and it can be through text messages, phone calls, Zoom meetings, or you can attend a virtual workshop hosted by your MMP coordinators. Then at the end of each month, you complete a short mentor monthly log submission on confirming meeting dates, methods of communication, and questions or concerns that you may have.
So why join? By joining us, you'll not only receive a prestigious award certificate and a letter of service, but also gain valuable volunteer hours that can boost your resume. You can enhance your skills in professional development through social/academic workshops, while also gaining benefits of meal vouchers and gift card incentives. We even offer Cal Poly merchandise to show your appreciation for your commitment. The great part of this program is having the opportunity to transform the lives of emerging leaders and future Mustangs from underserved communities, which means you'll be making a significant impact while building meaningful connections that last a lifetime.
So let's talk about the impact you can make as a Mustang mentor. We've had 3 successful cohorts so far, and our most recent 2023-24 cohort was the largest, most impactful cohort to date, with 87 mentors and 87 mentees that all had a positive program experience. The Cal Poly acceptance rate among MMP mentee applicants was 68%, which is significantly higher in comparison to the acceptance rate among California applicants, which was 30%, and the acceptance rate among applicants from underrepresented minority backgrounds, and this rate was only 25%. This goes to show the scale that MMP's reach and impact has, and we're continuously growing, and we are really excited that you are considering joining our cause.
So the requirements to be an MMP mentor are, firstly, you need to have a cumulative GPA of 2.0 or higher and a submission of all the electronic forms that will be on the application. And then there's a few dates that you'll need to have free. The interviews, we will reach out to the applicants to schedule an interview August 19th through 23rd. There's a mentor training session September 13th from 9:30 to 11:30, and a meet and greet mixer where you'll be able to meet your mentee for the first time October 6th from 3 to 5 p.m. And if these times don't work for you, don't worry, we can make alternative arrangements. You'll also need to schedule a campus visit and info session, which will be 30 and 90 minutes respectively. And lastly, MMP mentors will need to be passionate about fostering a diverse community at Cal Poly. The flyer linked here on the QR code will have all of the information in this presentation and more about the program and what it's like to be a mentor. And then the application is linked here. And we highly encourage you to open it and see if the opportunity is right for you. There's also a mentor testimonial YouTube video that you can watch, which has previous MMP mentors speaking on their experiences. Lastly, applications will be reviewed on a rolling basis, so apply today.
So just as a reminder, our priority deadline is Sunday, August 11th. But if you have any questions or inquiries in the meantime, we'd be happy to help you out and connect with you. You can reach the MMP mentor coordinators at recruitment@calpoly.edu. So shoot us an email if you have a question, and we want to help make this application process smooth and seamless for you. So we can't wait to see your application come rolling in, and we're super excited to connect with you and hopefully work with you as the future Mustang mentors of the MMP program. Thank you.